How to change camera and flashlight access on iPhone lock screen in iOS 18. Let's get started. Ever wanted to customize or even remove the camera and flashlight icons from your iPhone's lock screen? With iOS 18, you can have more control over your lock screen than ever. Here's how you can do it in just a few steps. Head towards your lock screen, swipe down from the left corner of your screen. Now, long press and hold on the screen. Click on the option of Customize. Click on Lock Screen. Now you are able to customize your lock screen. Over here, you're gonna find this camera and flashlight icon. Now I can remove it by clicking on this minus icon. Once you have removed these controls, click on this plus icon. With that, you will be directed to this page from where you can add any of the controls to your lock screen. Just go ahead and click on it. Click on this plus icon and add another control. Once you are done, click on this option given done at the top right corner. And just with that, you have updated your lock screen. So this way you can easily change camera and flashlight access on iPhone lock screen in iOS 18. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.